Kumana na njokaniriro iria iratuthukire mucemanio-ini uria uratanyitwo gucokia thayo itũra-ini ria Gatune Ndeia, thirikari ni itumite maobitha GSU aria maigite urangiri matura-ini macio niguo kunyihia wagagu na kurangira aikari.
I have enough deployment along the buffer zone. Therefore, issue of incursions within Kiambu is not likely. Even though I have the GSU here, I have the anti-stock theft units, 2 companies from the anti-stock theft units. I have my local police. I have mobilized all the securities within the county. We are set.
Gukinyiria riu ng'ombe 53 hari ng'ombe 72 iria ciaitwo Kajiado ni ihotete gutamburwo, nao athuri a itura kuma Kajiado magateithania na athuri a itura makihota gutambura mamwe ma mahiu maria maitwo kuma Kiambu na kuhithio kwao mihango-ini ya gucokeria ene ikiambiriria.
So far we have not arrested anybody in relation to that. However, we have profiled those people. They are known, but in the interest of peace, owing to the tensions that exist, these are issues that can be mitigated after tomorrow's meeting. So we do not want to rush to make arrests because it will only escalate the situation.
Tulikuwa tunaenda mkutano, si hati vita, lakini tukaona wale wenzetu ambaye tulikuwa na kitu mbaya ambaye imetukosanisha. Sasa hiyo shida ndio ilikuwa hapo. Si hati mpango ni vita ambayo ilipangwa ianze hapo, hapana.
Gocaria borire tuthire twacaria athuri a nyumba 10 athuri itura riu nio matwethithirie na makinya riu twagibuata makinya twathie riu nginya twagiciona.
Ni gutanyitwo gutabanio mucemanio gatagati ka atongoria a wathani wa matura kuma o county, no kuringana na aikari a Kajiado makauga marekuwa ni kuri na mikora iria irehithania na kwihumba kiruriri rwao niguo mahote gutabania uici undu uria utumite kugie na njukaniriro.
Hakuna kitu sisi tuligusa ya mtu fulani kutoka huko kwetu Kajiado wala Kiambu.
Moritie obitha a ugiteri aria matumitwo kuo kuruta wira hatari kwenderera, makiuria ateti kwaga kuingiria uteti mierio-ini ya gwetha thayo, guku makiuria borithi gukinyukiria ikinya ria kiwatho wothe uranyitire itemi hari nditimurano iria cironekire thiku 2 hituku.
A security committee of the Kajiado sub-county and the Kiambu sub-county security committees, they agreed that they will also bring our stock that we have lost, and tomorrow we have a very high profile meeting which will be attended by the governors and the regional team and the county security committee teams. I intend to hand over these animals after we receive what was stolen from outside.
Matanya ma oruriri ni thayo ucoke na arithia a mahiu aria matuire maikaranetie na thayo macokanwo na ngarari cia mihaka ya kurithia mahiu mao ininwo kaimana. Ikinya ria thirikari ria kuongerera maobitha gicigo-ini giki ni ririukitie mwihoko wa aikari a matura maya gucoka gwa thayo na guikarania na thayo na kurithia na thayo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Gatune Ndeia kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.